on my chest. Tired of pretending I'm doing my best. Smiles are fake and the words are rehearsed. Trying to scream but it only gets worse. Walking alone through a crowd full of noise. Lost in my head with a voice that destroys. Telling me daily I'm nothing but weak. But it's not attention I'm trying to seek. They say cheer up, like it's easy to do, but they don't know what I'm fighting through. It's not just sad, it's an endless fall. Behind my silence there's a silent call. Can't sleep at night cause the thoughts won't stop. Building like pressure about to pop. I'm tired of running from shadows inside. Tired of saying I'm fine when I've lied. I don't need pity or empty replies. I just need someone who looks in my eyes and says it's okay not to be okay. That I'm not alone, I can find my way. I was stuck on the bench, lost in my head, watching the game like my chances were dead. But hope is a ball that still rolls my way, even when skies are cloudy and gray. Each breath's a dribble, each step's a pass, trying to move through the weight through the grass. Pain was the goalie that blocked every shot, but I'm learning to fake, then hit what I've got. Even when I fall, I get back on my feet. The field is rough, but I won't face defeat. I'm not the score, I'm the fight in the play, and I'll chase that goal till the end of the day. They say cheer up, like it's easy to do, but they don't know what I'm fighting through. It's not just sad, it's an endless fall. Behind my silence there's a silent call. Can't sleep at night cause the thoughts won't stop. Building like pressure about to pop. I'm tired of running from shadows and fall. Behind my silence there's a silent call. Can't sleep at night cause the thoughts won't stop. Building like pressure about to pop. I'm tired of running from shadows inside. Tired of saying I'm fine when I've lied. I don't need pity or empty replies. I just need someone who looks in my eyes and says it's okay not to be okay. That I'm not alone, I can find my way. I was stuck on the bench, lost in my head, watching the game like my chances were dead. But hope is a ball that still rolls my way, even when skies are cloudy and gray. Each breath a dribble, each step's a pass, trying to move through the weight through the grass. Pain was the goalie that blocked every shot, but I'm learning to fake, then hit what I've got. Even when I fall, I get back on my feet. The field is rough, but I won't face defeat. I'm not the score, I'm the fight in the play, and I'll chase that goal till the end of the day. Woke up again with a weight on my chest. Tired of pretending I'm doing my best. Smiles are fake and the words are rehearsed. Trying to scream but it only gets worse. Walking alone through a crowd full of noise. Lost in my head with a voice that destroys. Telling me daily I'm nothing but weak. But it's not attention I'm trying to seek. They say cheer up, like it's easy to do, but they don't know what I'm fighting through. It's not just sad, it's an endless fall. Behind my silence there's a silent call. Can't sleep at night cause the thoughts won't stop. Building like pressure about to pop. I'm tired of running from shadows inside. Tired of saying I'm fine when I've lied. I don't need pity or empty replies. I just need someone who looks in my eyes and says it's okay not to be okay. lost in my head, watching the game like my chances were dead. But hope is a ball that still rolls my way, even when skies are cloudy and gray. Each breath's a dribble, each step's a pass, trying to move through the weight through the grass. Pain was the goalie that blocked every shot, but I'm learning to fake, then hit what I've got. Even when I fall, I get back on my feet. The field is rough, but I won't fade.
Right, here we go. Welcome in everybody. Make sure if you come in, just make sure you like the stream. Let's get more viewers in. But we're live over here. I see Teach Maya is live as well, so awesome streamer, awesome trader as well. But we're going live, and we're gonna try and do lives every day. Wiring at the bottom here, but we're gonna try and go live every single day. Trading, obviously not weekends, but during the week we're gonna try our best to go live and keep you guys entertained over here, educated. Remember, before I start going onto the charts, remember this is not financial advice that I'm giving in the stream. It's basically only educational purposes, and that's all. So when you take a trade on the stream, you can lose all your invested capital. There's a possibility. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Nasdaq running up there. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq still in an uptrend. You can see it's going up nicely over there as well. So we're gonna mark up on chart, looking for that swing high, which is obviously can be at this point as well. Let's mark this point as our swing high. So we're gonna go from bottom to top, marking the swing low, and marking that swing high over there. So we can see already there's a potential entry, but we need to make sure that everything else lines up. So the trend is good, number one. Number two, I need to look at my checklist. I've got a checklist, guys. Let's look at the checklist before we enter any trade, just to guide us. So let's have a look to see. Let me put on my other screen over here, just so that I can see the chat as well. I need to go back and forth the whole time. Put on my other screen. So I'm able to see the chat and respond nicely, guys. Let's see. Work. It does. There we go. So extend it so that we can move certain things around. Right, so let's look at our checklist real quick. What is the checklist telling us? So we've identified the trend. Number one, we've identified the trend. There's a nice potential entry here on this. Nasdaq. Sorry. EMAs are corresponding prices above the EMA. Next, we need to make sure that we've got the RSI doing its thing as well. Let's see. I can't put the RSI on here. RSI is just additional confirmation to give me an A+ setup. That's why we've got RSI there as one of confluences. So let's see. Nasdaq RSI. What's happening now? RSI Nasdaq RSI is nicely above it should be, let me see. Oh no, it's not yet above the 55 mark, so we're gonna wait for that to happen. It's not yet above the 55 mark, so it's not an A+ setup, but it looks like everything else is good. It's above the percentage that it needs to be. We are trading in the correct session, and so all we need to do to place the trade is we need Nasdaq to go up a little bit more. Let's have a look at gold. Gold is currently coming down, but we don't have a confluence when it comes to the EMAs and the price. So there's no confluence with the EMA and the price over there. Yeah, so gold doesn't look like it's gonna happen today. Let me just clear this. Oh, I did. No, I didn't. Clear the drawings. S&P 500, it's above there. We clear these drawings. It's above there. Yeah, it's not giving me the confluence that I need to take the trade. So S&P 500. So Nasdaq, this session is looking the only one that's likely. We've got German 40. It's still below the 20, and on the daily it's below there. So on German 40 we needed to come down a little bit more. It shouldn't be trading there for us to take this trade, but it actually we can take this trade because it's moving up. If we go to our swing high, let's see where we need to first see where our RSI is. Where's our RSI? So identify the trend. It's a downtrend, as you can see already. Price is in between the moving averages. Let's see where the RSI is on German 30, German 40. So RSI is where it should be. Yeah, so this looks like a likely trade as well because everything is corresponding. So we're going to jump on in a sell limit. Let me just make sure again. Daily is down. 1 hour, you can say it's down as well. I don't care about the 5 minutes that much. No, I've done that on the wrong chart. Let me remove this. Yeah, it's kind of in a range at the moment. So my swing high, yeah, this can be my swing high over here. That's my swing high and my swing low. So let's do it like this. Swing high, swing low. Alright, let me just drag it to this point. Yeah, no, it's a little bit choppy. So I'm gonna wait for it to make a proper swing high and swing low. So out of German as well. Then Dow Jones. Let's see what's happening over here. Dow Jones. Yeah, 5 minutes also not looking too good there. Daily still above there, but yeah, it's not corresponding on the 1 hour. The only one that looks likely over here is Nasdaq for this session, unless something crazy happens. Yeah, gold is totally out. S&P 500. S&P 500, we can still do something with S&P 500 if it goes up. But for the moment, nothing on S&P 500. German 40, like we've seen, very choppy on the 5 minute time frame. So we needed to do something else. So at the moment, Nasdaq looking very, very likely. But like I mentioned, we need to move up. And the RSI is the only thing on Nasdaq that is keeping us out of this trade at the moment. So we're gonna be monitoring the RSI closely. Monitoring it closely. I need to I need to see whether the stream is good or not. All right. Let's see the news today. News. Forex factory, there we go. Yeah, guys, if you're wondering, I am trading with Top One. I'm a funded trader on Top One. So they do have a special at the moment. If you're interested, just scan the QR code and you get 70% off on all challenges, including funded accounts. So you can go to instant funded, you can skip all the challenges, go straight to instant funding, and you get 70% off when you scan the QR code on screen. So go ahead, do that, and support this channel as well in doing that, and you can get funded right away, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's do that, support the channel, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting you guys in the chat over here. So let's do this, man. Let's do this. Oh man. right, so now we're just waiting. There's a couple of news events coming out, CAD, and then tonight we've got the FOMC tonight. And so yeah, it's gonna be a hectic day. It's gonna be a crazy day today. So patience is key. We had a losing day yesterday. Patience is key, guys. So let's stay patient in the market. Sorry guys, I know I'm moving around a lot, but let's just remain patient in the market and we will be fine. I just want to make sure that the stream is good. It says it's good, but you know, just always good to make sure. And while I'm there, probably just like the stream as well. Get some people, get the algorithm going here for me and the channel, so that more people can just come in and join, you know, join the channel. I want to go to channels I know and tell people I am live and I'm streaming. That would take away from other streamers viewing, so I don't want to do that, and I know that I don't have much influence to do that, but I know on Maya's channel I do, so I'm not gonna attempt to do that. I want YouTube to push out my content over here. So let's go back to the charts, because that's what we are here for. I'm gonna have a look at Nasdaq looking like a pair that is quite corresponding at this moment. It is just the only pair that is kind of giving us a signal. I don't know why it's my Wi-Fi is not connecting to my TV. Alright, and then I've got another account that I need to set up as well. Let's see guys, let's see where the RSI is right about now on Nasdaq. We're getting there. We're getting there. Let me see. All right, looks like we're getting there. There we go. All right, so I think we've got something cooking over here on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is giving us something. I just need to confirm that with my RSI, because that's the only thing that I think we need. But I don't know if we're gonna get a trade. Let me see. You guys see my channel is not very popular. Understand why. So, I'm gonna try and see whether we can get it pushed out. Let's see. That my is this my quality? Okay, this is my quality. Okay, cool. Do something. Right. That's what I wanted to do. All right, let me see what's happening over here. All right, we are very close to, but I see it's going up as well. It's moving up. You can see nicely tapped into that order there, and it's moving up. Look at the other charts real quick. Gold melting over here, but we can't do anything with it because it's still up on the daily chart. It's still in the uptrend. S&P moving up. It's moving up. So let me see. Close. Swing high. Remember, this was our swing high. We need to wait for this 1 hour closure, I think, unless it moves up. If you are in here, please make sure you leave a like on the channel so that we can get more people coming. So leave a like if you are in here. I would appreciate a like, guys. We are looking at Nasdaq. Over here, and S&P 500 looking like it wants to do something. So Nasdaq and S&P 500 already. Nasdaq is taking out this one, so we're going to move it to our next swing high, which is there. That's our next swing high. So Nasdaq looking like it wants to do something. Come on, guys, if you are in here, please leave that like, smash that like button, man. Let's get this channel out to more people. get this channel out to more people. It's just like a couple of more pushes and then we've got an entry. So the only thing that I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for my RSI to correspond. That's the only thing that we need now. It's just for the RSI to correspond. Once we have that, then we are in a trade. I do buy limits and sell limits. That's how I trade, if you're wondering. Goldie not. It is coming down, but on the daily it's not giving us that entry that we'd like to have. Let's go, guys. Don't forget, smash that like button, man. Let's go. We are very close to entering on Nasdaq. Very close. We are almost there. Just need a couple of more pushes up. Go to, I think we are there now. So we're gonna get ready for an entry on Nasdaq, guys. Get ready for an entry on Nasdaq. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We want this to go out to as much people as possible. Let's grow this community, and we're gonna be here. At least try to be here every single day. There we go. We've got the entry now. So let's go and place our sell limit. Let's place our sell limit, and let's see what happens. Buy limit, sorry, not sell limit, buy limit. And let's see what happens. So I'm placing my buy limit using my phone. If you want the coordinates, or what do they call this, we might have to move our swing high up, but the swing low is perfect where it is. We might so buy limit on Nasdaq, risk to reward is 4, 1:4, so that's a nice good risk to reward. Buy limit, so entry, if you're looking for the entry, guys, entry is 24305.14, 24305.14, and stop loss would be 24299.66, 24299.66, and your take profit will be all the way up there, which is 24328.34. Let me give you that again. Let me just see if what I'm risking is fine. So we're gonna risk more. So I'm just increasing my risk a little bit because I see it's a very tight stop loss there at the moment. So we're going to go buy limit. I'm going to give you the coordinates again. Buy limit 24305.14. That's the entry. Stop loss is 24299.66, and take profit is 24328.34. We might have to change that if we don't see Nasdaq come down. We might have to change that, but for now that's fine. Come on, guys, if you are in here, please hit that like button. Let's get more people coming in. hit that like button, smash it. We are in a trade where we have a buy limit set on Nasdaq. If it breaks through this high, we're just gonna move our take profit and entry up. So it broke through, so let's just move it up to this swing high over here, which means our entry is going to change, and so is our stop loss and take profit. Before we do it, let's just wait and see what happens. Guys, if you're in here, don't forget, man, hit that like button. The reason why I'm saying this continuously is because let YouTube push this out to more people, so that more people are able to find the channel, and let's win together. Also just want to reiterate this, that what I'm doing here is nothing to do with giving financial advice. It's just here for educational and entertainment purposes. That's why I'm doing this. And Nasdaq is pushing up. We're going up. So that was our swing high. Next swing high will is far up there. So let's put in new coordinates, guys. Let's put in new coordinates. Let's go and put in new coordinates. I'll give you the coordinates now, which means our stop loss will increase, and so will take profit. Risk to reward is still a 1:4, but we're going to delete this order. If we placed, then we're going to place a new order because our stop loss increased. But we're going to keep our risk the same, so that's why we're going to come down with our risk or lot size. So new coordinates, let me just take this to the side a little bit more. Okay, let me do this. I just want us to at least see the entry and the stop loss. So entry would be now 24310, 24310.09, 24310.09. Stop loss, we're taking it to 24.09. Stop loss would be 24303.39, and take profit way up there would be 24338.49. There we go. Let's see our risk. Okay, I think we can risk a little bit more on this trade. Let's go to risk a little bit more. Please, guys, if you're in here, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get more people joining us over here. So I'm going to give you the coordinates again. Entry is 24310.09. Stop loss is 24303.39. remember, if you're taking this trade, you're doing so at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any losses that you make in the market. You're doing so at your own risk. And yeah, so I'm just entertaining you guys over here with my trading. Let's see our risk. Yeah, the risk is fine. Risk to reward, that's fine. All right, let's see. I just want to make sure I've got the right coordinates in. So entry would be 24310.09. Stop loss 24303.39, and take profit way up there is 24338. 0.49. There we go. So yeah, here we are, waiting for Nasdaq to tap us in the market. Come on guys, let's get more people in here, man. I don't know if you can share the stream. If you can share the stream, man, let's get more people coming in and winning with us over here. S&P 500, what is it doing? It's up, it's up, it's up, it's up. Let me see if there's an entry. There might be an entry. There might be an entry, guys. There might be an entry. Let's take our fib. Might have an entry. Let's take that swing high. Let's take that swing high to the swing low over here. Let's see. S&P. See what the hour says. Nah, there's no entry. No entry yet. It's no entry yet. It still needs to move up. There is no entry yet. Still needs to move up. Up. So moment. Yeah, looks like German 30 is also wanting to move up. Looks like German 30 also wants to move up somewhere, somehow. Come on guys, let's get more people in here. Hit that like button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. S&P 500, like I said, it's not the one. Gold as well. It's not something that I'm looking to trade today, just because my the way I trade in my analysis is not adding up. Nasdaq is still moving up, man. Okay, that's German 40. Then we've got Dow Jones. This one is going to be short, very short, small. No, it's not yet where I need it to be, especially on the 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour is not the one. One hour is not the one. All right, so that's all for now. So we're still waiting for Nasdaq over here. Still waiting for Nasdaq. We are not in a trade, but we have placed. Oh, well, let me see if I can do. Let's see. Buy limit. Let's do paper trading. Connect. So there's our buy limit is there. Take profit is take profit. Where's my take profit again? Take profit is 24338.49. Okay. Stop loss is 24303.39. There we go. Let's see. What is my oh, it shows 1. Righto. Let's go, boys. Let's see if we're gonna be tapped in the trade. New York session might be crazy today, so I'm just hoping I can clear out my profit. Right now in this session, because I know New York is gonna be mad today. New York is gonna be mad crazy. Come on, boys. Go, man. Let's go. S&P, we need it to go higher. S&P, we need it to go higher. Smash that like button, guys. Come on. Let's get more people in here, man. We are in a buy limit. Do we have a buy limit set on Nasdaq? Do have a buy limit set on Nasdaq. Yeah, we're looking ready to take a trade. Buy limit. Do we have a buy limit set? Yeah, this is the thing with trading, guys. Is this is something that I had to learn. Been trading for about 5+ years now, and I have to learn to be patient. Patience. We always heard that traders saying patience is key, but never really applied it. Never really applied it. Let me do this. Let me see. Yeah, the range, resolution of my second screen is not that good. I just wanted to check something. Yes, let's do this. Good. There we go. All right. Yeah, patience, boys. Gonna be here for a couple of hours still. It can get lonely if you're alone on stream, man. You know, get this lonely on stream. Hopefully someone's gonna come in now and check me up. Come on, YouTube. Do me a solid, man. Do me a solid over here. Guys, just to give you an update again, I am trading with Top 1 Trader, and they've got a 70% discount running. If you want that discount, just scan the QR code on screen and you can get 70% off the first channel challenge. Any challenge you can do funded, instant funding as well. Get 70% off on that. So if you go ahead and you get yourself that 70% off. Scanning the QR code. Come on, boys. Yeah, we it's just a patience thing right now, man. It's just about being patient right now. Nothing we can really do. Just need to remain patient in these markets. Righty. Nasdaq is moving, man. We're still gonna remain patient. Goldie. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Only thing that's keeping me away from Goldie is the fact that it's trading below this 1 hour. 1 hour is trading below the EMAs. Go daily is trading above the EMAs, so no clear direction there for me. 5 minutes, I don't really bother about that too much. S&P, what is happening with S&P over here? S&P also a little bit still indecisive when it comes to direction, whether it's going up or not. I don't know. I don't know, man. And also our RSI is not doing too good. RSI is not doing too good, man. Where am I going? S&P 500. Yeah, RSI is. We're looking for a buy. RSI is not agreeing. German. What is German doing? German is, yeah, it's also mixed emotions. Daily is, it's trading below the moving averages. 1 hour looks like it wants to go up. 5 minutes, it's above. So staying away from German 40 as well. So, well, if we can get an up push from Dow Jones, it's likely that we're going to be trading Dow Jones, but we need 5 minutes to the hour. We probably gonna need another hour to see whether it's gonna push up or stay in between those moving averages like it is currently. It's just trading in between those two are moving averages. Dow Jones. I must say that Dow Jones hasn't been very good to me this past couple of days trading it. I think I placed 2 trades. Let me just check. Another thing that I've incorporated in my trading that I haven't done before, and that's why I think this time it's different and I'm going to be profitable, is because I've got a trading journal, guys. I have a trading journal. I downloaded this trading journal from Baby Pips, I think. Yeah, I think it was babypips.com, and I just modified it to my preference, which I think I've done quite well with it. Quite a good one. I'm gonna add it in shortly. I'll show you my trades that I took. I only started on Monday or Tuesday. I think I started yesterday trading on this account. Yeah, I started yesterday trading on this account. So here we go. Let me show you my trading journal. Very important, guys. This is very, very important. It's important to have one. That's what I'm trying to say. It's important to get yourself a trading journal. Don't have it, better get yourself one. Let me put the screen. There we go. All right. Hopefully you can see that, because the resolution on my screen is, it's not the best. On my second screen, it's not the best at all. Oh, I'm not living right now. I'm waiting to see where my living is. There we go. That looks good. That looks yeah, looks fire. Yeah, so guys, you can see there on the screen. Hopefully you can see that I made a couple of losses. Yesterday. Maybe I should just have my thing on here. Maybe that way people will come in and have a look. No, but I can't do it on this mobile because I'm actually using this one. I can do it on this one. Right, let's go. Yeah, this is the trading journal, guys. You can see the losses I made yesterday on this account. What's this about? Yeah, but yeah, it allows me to see where I went wrong and stuff like that. So we placed 7 trades. Out of the 7 trades, I lost 4, and I had 2 break-even trades and 1 winning trade. But as you can see, my winning trade is way more than my losing trades. So that's how you become profitable. Why doesn't it show? Alright, so yeah, on my Goldie. Yeah, Goldie both break even. This last trade, it was so close. So close to hitting take profit, man. And it just turned on me. Yeah, so this is the trading journal. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Still waiting. It's coming down. Boys and girls. Hopefully it doesn't come right down, you know. Like the last couple of trades that we took just came right down. Came right down to the wire. Just want to see. Yeah, these are late, but this is Canadian dollars. And then we've got FOMC, I just want to see how the markets react. I don't necessarily think I'll trade that. I haven't traded it, so I don't necessarily think I'll go ahead and start trading it now. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, brother. Bleed it, bleed it, bleed it, bleed it, bleed it. I like that sound effect that Tetra FX uses. Why are you running? Why are you running? Come bleed, bro. Bleed, bleed, bleed. Just bleed to my entry though. It's because a couple of times I've seen this see how close it came to the entry. I don't know if it tapped me in on my account. Yes, it did. It tapped me in. There we've got trades running. Got something there. We've got it running there, but it didn't tap us in. Yes, so baby, I need to move that. I need to move that. No, it should have tapped us in, man. It didn't tap in on trading view, but it did tap me in on my account. So maybe let's just leave it at 10. What was this thing? 10. I don't want to trade, I want to modify that order. 10:09. Yeah, it tapped me in. I don't know if it. It's just down to the spread. But it definitely tapped me in. I need to see where I'm going to go to break even. Ooh la la. So I'm watching this thing closely, boys. We are in a trade, and we will move to break even soon. So I move to break even one, risk 1:1. I'm then move to break even. I'm not trading big lot sizes, boys. Got a small account. It's a funded account, and I'm trying to protect my equity. Something that I also came to learn. Respect and protect your equity. And if it comes down and hits break even, one of my rules is I don't enter again. I need to wait for it to give me a new setup. Because I've seen it happen a couple of times where I entered on the same entry price and it hit me double. So move stops to break even right now. Moving stops to break even. 3110. I'm going 0.5. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go. I think 0.15. I think 0.15 is fine. Let's do that. So stops to break even. Just gonna tap myself in over here. Cancel this order. And let's just tap ourselves in. Just do that and see. Stops might be hit. Break even. Stops might be hit on this trade. Just one of those, man. If stops are hit, stops are hit. Just one of those trades that you just have to take, you know. So yeah, we waited a long time. At least we took one trade in the session. At least we took one trade in the session, but we waited a long time for this one. But yeah, I'm definitely not gonna cry about it, you know. Definitely not gonna cry about it. If it gets hit, it gets hit. At least we're protecting our equity and we can come back. There we go. We're out. Break even. Oh. We're out on break even. Hey. 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 S&P 500. What are you doing, man? Need you to go up. You're coming down. Oh no. Goldie. Goldie looks like it wants to sell off. But we're not touching it. S&P 500. German 40. What are you doing? Looks like it wants to come down again. Dow Jones coming down again. Alright, on the daily, yeah, it's not gonna be an entry, I don't think, unless it gives us a big daily candle. What we're gonna need now to enter a trade again. See, good thing, man. Good thing we enter both stops. So for us to enter this trade, we need to see either the low being taken out or the high, which is this high. So we need to see this high being taken out for us to enter Nasdaq again. So at this point there's nothing, no trade. Maybe let's see. Yeah, no, S&P is far-fetched. Let's see gold. Gold is also far-fetched, man. Yeah. Gold is far-fetched. S&P far-fetched. German 40. German 40 is close, I think. Yeah, German 40 might be the one we really look at next. But yeah, we need that 1 hour to surpass. Price needs to be below the moving averages, and on the 1 hour it needs to be below 50 on the RSI. If we go to our 5 minutes, we have a swing high, swing low. Are we saying this is our swing low? Still needed to come down. Dow Jones, we need a big daily short candle. So at the moment we will watch German 40. German 40 is the one that is giving us something. German 40. German 40 is giving us something. Oh, German 40. Oh. German 30 is the only one that's looking likely to be traded in this session. Yep, we're just waiting. Just waiting. Just chilling. We're just chilling. We are chilled. We are just chill, man. Come on, boys. We need it. We're just chilling, man. Just chilling over here and waiting for the market to give us something. I'll be back. Still waiting. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing here. Nasdaq is selling. Nasdaq is coming down. Let's see. Yeah, markets are very indecisive. I don't even know if it's worth sitting around till about 12. Looking at this. Don't even know. entry. Kanan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a waiting game here, and Nasdaq is just selling off. Nasdaq is just selling off. You're not gonna get in this sell off over here. All doing the same. Goldie, where are you running? Why are you running? S&P, the sell off. One hour candle is crazy. Might get an entry on German 30. 1 hour can just sell off a little bit more. But German 30 is 40 is looking promising over here. Okay. Bum. Let's fill in the trade. Let's put in the trade that we've taken. Nasdaq on Nasdaq on Nasdaq on Nasdaq on Nasdaq on Nasdaq. What time was the entry? Reason why I put entry time, it helps me understand what the market does at a certain time. Yeah, I was looking at the time of entry. Time entry. History. Time of, not a time of entry, time of closure. Time it closed. Time of entry, that's not important. US 10, US 100, I mean Nasdaq 0.15. It was a long, and entry was 2, 3, 1. So what happens, guys, is it comes down, right? Remember our entry was initially 4, 5, 10.09. So when it hits our entry, with the volatility that it hits the entry, it pushes the entry down to a certain point. But I think also, I don't know how it really works, but I think it pushes entry down to make up for the spread. That's why it's 0.2 instead of 0.9. Just wanted to clarify that it's 3. It's not 4. It's 3. So it's 243.01.02. Stop loss to that was 0.15. Take profit was to all up to 8.49. Exit was 243.10. So again, as you guys can see, it was, my stop loss was at 0.15, but it closed at 0.06. Break even 0.01. Luckily there's no commission on US 100 Nasdaq, so let's see, balance is correct. There we go. So you can see 3 break-even trades, 1 winning trade, 4 losses. And that's it. Let's see what the markets are up to. Let's see what the markets are doing. German 40 still struggling. Dow Jones struggling as well. Or maybe not. Maybe it wants to come up. Maybe it wants to come up. All we need for this pair is for this candle to close below moving averages in the hour. Yeah, we can get our candle here closing above there, then we can also look at entries over here. There we've got our low, then we've got our high. Think with gold it's a little bit far-fetched for any entry, and Nasdaq, what Nasdaq is up to, but Nasdaq is really Nasdaqing over here, taking out sellers, taking out buyers. What is happening? But it's just about, it's all about waiting, man. Just have to wait. Can't be in a hurry in these markets. So I don't think this candle is gonna close good, but if we get a next candle and it trades above moving averages, we're gonna look for entries on S&P. Yeah, the gold is far-fetched. Nasdaq, same with Nasdaq. If we get this candle or the next one trading above moving averages, we're gonna look for entries. German 40, need this candle to trade below or the next one trading below. We'll look for entries on German 40. Dow Jones needs to trade above Then we'll look for entries on Dow Jones. So the 1 hour needs to trade up moving averages. And yeah, we'll look for entries. That's where we are right now. Just again, we're just waiting. This is our first day streaming, man. After a very long time. So guess this is our punishment from YouTube for not being around for a very long time. So no viewers. Viewers for you boys. Haven't been here in a while. Alright, so that's it guys. I'm be right back. This one as well. But now German. What are you doing, man? German 40. What are you doing? What's up, yeah. Yeah, German 30, man. Need to come down, not go. Because if German 30 goes up, daily candle will never be that, man. So we needed to come down, baby, come down. One minute left before the next hour candle opens. And I don't know what Germany's doing. Hey, gold doesn't seem like we're gonna touch gold today, even in New York. Might get Nasdaq going, S&P looking likely to go. German 30 still very a little bit indecisive. Then Dow Jones as well. And we've got the hour candle open. What can we see happening? Dow Jones. We only need the hour candle to trade above moving averages. Once that happens, we can look at potential trades. German 30, German 40 looking good to go. Let's see, German 40 looking good to go, man. There's a swing high, there's a swing low. German 40. There we go, boys. Let's get ready. Last thing we need to check is our RSI. RSI, what are you saying to us? What story are you writing for us? What story are you writing for us? RSI looking good. Time for entry, boys. Time for entry, boys. Share limit Sell limit, sell limit. Let's go. Not in a hurry, man. We just need to get those in. So let me see how more or less. Let's go with 0.05. Let's go with 0.10. Sell limit. It's 23432. 23432. 23432.63. Stop loss is 23443.88, and take profit 23384.94. Let's see. All right, there we go. We're in. Priced it in. Priced it in. Sell limit. Let's go. Uh, 23432.63. Take profit 23384.94, and stop loss 23443.88. Is that what we have on our position? Okay, entry 2343 2.63. Stop loss 23443.88. Yes. TP, take profit 23384.94. all right, we've got that priced in. We're ready to go. Let's see what happens. So go back 1 hour trading below those EMAs. Nearly definitely trading below the EMAs. Right, so everything is good, but we needed to go up 10%, go down, but yeah, let's see what happens. Might just bleed all the way down. Nasdaq coming up again. Nasdaq coming up, but we needed to trade above the moving averages. Goldie. Gold has got a long way, man. S&P 500, what are you doing? Just trade above there, then you've got your mint. Just trade above there. Which is S&P 500. Okay, we've got German 40 locked in there. see what is Dow Jones do. Dow Jones, all you need to do is trade above moving averages. That's all we need from you, Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Are we locked in on German 30? German 30 is locked in. Let's see what it is going to do. Oh, what is it going to do? Why are you running? Why are you running? Dow Jones, 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 Dow Jones. Nice. Dow Jones, Dow Jones, Dow Jones, Dow Jones. Alright, we might have to move. Yes, we have to move our entry again. Let me redo this before it comes up. So here's your new coordinates. Entry moved to 3429.61. Stop loss moved to 3441.51, and take profit moved 23379.19. There we go. There we go. Let's modify new entry. 234 to 9.6. Oh no, that's take profit. Sorry, take profit. To move to 23429.61. Take profit is 337. Then stop loss. Now we have to wait. Let's see. Dow Jones, almost there. Dow Jones, come on boys. If you are in here, please like this stream. Please like the stream. I would appreciate it if you can go ahead and smash that like button. So we are about to do something over here. That's if German 40 allows us to. And if it's your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'd highly appreciate that as well. Yeah, no. It's just going further down. It's going further down. Might tap into this area over here. So we might see tap into this area. Yep, it is what it is, like they say. It is what it is. S&P 500 struggling. Dow Jones struggling. None of these boys wanna climb the ladder of success, man. German 40 just struggling. It's a struggle this morning. Normally, London session is a good session to trade normally. But I'm thinking, I don't know why London is affected by what happens in the US. Maybe I should read up on that. Maybe take some time out and read out on that one to see what is happening really. Why London session is as choppy as it is. Nasdaq is not doing what I needed to do. So is Goldie. Gold 1 hour looking promising, eh? Gold 1 hour looking promising. Goldie. We might have an opportunity to trade gold in New York. I don't think it's gonna happen in London session though. Nasdaq disappointing. Nasdaq is disappointing me. Nasdaq is disappointing. S&P 500 doesn't know what it wants to do. It's like that one person, they can't make up their mind. German also a little bit indecisive. You're not indecisive. If you're in a sell on German 40, you're doing good so far. I'm just waiting. Waiting. Dow Jones going on the up. I needed to go higher. It is on that moving average, so I need to go a little higher, maybe to that point over there. Need to go a tad little higher, not too much, just a little bit higher, and then we can see whether we can trade it then. But for now, I'm not gonna take my chance on it. German S&P, come on man, you can do it. Goldie, Nasdaq, come on boys, we can do it. We can get to that nice point. Don't forget to smash that like button, boys. Let's get more people in here, man. Let's get more people in here. Don't watch alone, watch together. Share the live if you can. I don't know if you can. We can share it. I am not sure. I think you can. Oh. So now the bet is between, let's see, German 40 and Dow Jones. German 40 and Dow Jones. Someone needs to win. One of you needs to win. Let's give the viewers something so they can join us in New York session. Let's give them something to think about. Think, man. The sellers are in this, bro. German 40, the sellers are doing their thing over here. Craziness. Craziness. Dow Jones. Oh gosh. We are close. We are close. Dow Jones, we are close. Come on, boys. We are close. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it, boys. Let's see if I do this. We can do it. 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 Oh, Dow Jones, so close, man, yet so far. So close, yet so far. German. I think I'm gonna delete this order. I'm gonna delete this order if this low is taken out. If they take out that low, I'm deleting this order, boys. So we're gonna move this like that. If that low is taken out now, I'm deleting the order. So now we're gonna reset again. We're gonna reset again. I don't know. Let's see. Gonna move it. 421 will be the entry. 0.33. That's your entry. Stop loss would be 23,435.19. That's the stop loss, and then take profit will be 23,362.362.63. 23,6. Let's see what is happening. We're still quite fine over there where we are. Let's modify this one on trading view. Let's modify this one on trading view. 23 421.33. Take profit 23,362.63, and then stop loss 23,435.19. Actually, if this low is taken out, boys, we are deleting this entire thing. Right. Okay. Which one is this? Dow Jones is looking good. Dow Jones is looking good. Let's see if the RSI is corresponding with what is happening on the screen over here. Dow Jones. Not at all. Still far away. Not so far, but yeah. Not yet, boys, not yet. So I'll have to wait. So what we're gonna do, only thing that we need now is for it to go more higher before we take the trade. before we take the trade. Before we take the trade. Right, before we take the trade, we need to go high. Oh, yes. Let's see what Germany is doing. Jimin. I like what I'm seeing so far. Yeah, let's see. No, I'm not even gonna consider gold right now. S&P, what are you doing? Let's see, boy. Still a little bit far away. Let's put on a alert. I don't know if these alerts are working though. Let's see, Dow Jones. Oh, we've got 28 minutes left. Ending the stream. Going on a one hour break. And we'll be back with New York. No, it's actually 1.5 hours because I want to be back at 1:30. Because I want to be at 2 p.m. So 1:30 we're gonna be back. But for now we're still around. still around. Hoping for a move. Still here, hoping for a move. S&P, go boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, boys, give us something to take home with us, man. Don't leave us. Give us something. Something. If you guys are wondering what QR code that is, Top One, they have a promotion at the moment, 70% off challenges, including instant funding. 70% off, bro. Don't know where you're gonna get another sweeter deal than that. Scan the QR code on your screen and you can go and collect yours. What am I doing? What am I saying? Right. Oh man, can't this thing just move on the up? S&P, what are you doing? What is S&P doing? Come on, boys. We need to get up there, man, so that we can go ahead and go further up. Let me do this in the meantime while we wait. Let's see what is short summary. Short, we don't want to read too long. Short summary. What is FOMC and how does it impact the market? Let's see. AI, the Federal Opening Market Committee, that is what FOMC stands for, Federal Open Market Committee, sets the US monetary policy to achieve stable prices and maximum employment, most notably by adjusting the federal funds rate, which is the base rate for borrowing. FOMC decisions impact markets by influencing all interest rate borrowing costs for businesses and consumers and overall investment sentiment. All right, see, we're learning here on this channel. Education, told you guys this is for education and entertainment as well. The what is the FOMC? The FOMC is a policy making branch of the Federal Reserve System in the United States. Its primary goal is to guide the economy towards stable prices and maximum employment. Remember, NFP is non-farm payroll. It has to do with employment, and that's one of the biggest trading events. It meets 8 times a year to assess the economy and make decisions on monetary policy. All right, so that's one to take note of. How does FOMC impact the markets? Interest rates. The FOMC sets the target for the federal funds rate, a benchmark that influences all other interest rates from mortgages and car loans to credit cards and saving yields. Borrowing cost. When the FOMC rises rates, borrowing becomes more expensive for businesses and consumers, which can slow spending and economic activities. So a high interest rate means a slow economy. Good stuff. So if the interest rate is high, it means that the dollar will the dollar go higher? No, because borrowing will not happen, which means consumers will not be able to buy stuff. So if interest rates are high, dollar goes low. If dollar goes low, gold goes up and everything else goes down. Okay, learning, boys. Asset evaluation. Changes in interest rate. Conversely, lower rates make borrowing cheaper, encouraging spending. There we go. Asset evaluations. Changes in interest rate affect the value of stocks and bonds. Higher rates can make bonds more attractive than stocks and can reduce the present value for future company earnings, impacting stocks evaluation. Market sentiment. FOMC. Before we go there, let me look at what is happening over here. Still just jumping around there. Oh, Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq doing? Nazi. What are you doing? Nas is still far, man. Okay. Let's go back to being educated. Market sentiment. FOMC decisions and forward guidance on the economy and future policy actions significantly influence investors' confidence and sentiment, leading to volatility or stability in the financial markets. So volatility now because they don't know what's going to happen. Stability later after it has happened. Yeah, there we go. Quantitative easing or tightening. The FOMC can also direct large-scale purchases or sales of government securities to influence long-term interest rates and money supply, a process known as quantitative easing or tightening. Good stuff. We've been learning. At least now you can go and apply whatever you've learned on this channel live stream. So yeah, good to know that, boys and girls. Ah man, it's a slow one. It's a slow one. It's a slow one. It's a slow one. Are we waiting? We're waiting. Oh, so what is Dow Jones telling us right now? It is trading above. It's trading above over here. So only thing we're waiting for on this one is the RSI. RSI. It's only the RSI that we're waiting for right about now. Right about now. Oh man, 240 struggling. Like I said, if it takes out the low, closing this entire position, and I think then we'll probably come back in the New York session. I think so. Unless it does something crazy. Let's go to 1 hour. So 1 hour, looking at something there. China. Yeah, I know. Goldie. Oh, it doesn't look like it will be traded today. Nasdaq doing. No. Probably delete this order now. Yeah, let's delete the order now for now, guys. It ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. Order deleted. It ain't working. It ain't working. S&P. It ain't working. Dow Jones. It ain't working. Dow Jones. We were so close. So close. It ain't working. Yeah. Definitely down to FOMC doing these things. That's the only conclusion I come to. After doing all the analysis and stuff, that's the only thing that I can come to is this is down to FOMC. 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 Let me see something. I can't show you guys this. This one I can't show you. I'm gonna place a trade on something. What about now? Oh, what am I doing, bruh? What am I doing? 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 German, what are you doing? Germany, what you doing? Let's move it a little bit down. There we go. There we go. There we go. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Oh. Insta. Insta. I would like 12 minutes left to get to 12 minutes. Wanna see where in this Yeah, like 7 minutes left. Just doing something on the other account. Oh yeah. So I guess the markets are not uh, giving us what we really need over here. So call it a stream. Call it a stream. Markets are terrible, to be honest. Markets are terrible. If you are in, please make sure you hit that like button. But I think I'm gonna call it an end. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Top one is they've got a promo running at the moment, 70% off all challenges, including instant funding as well. Yeah, Nasdaq is horrible. So is gold. So is S&P 500, German, and Dow Jones. So let's see, guys. Let's see when we come back at 1:30 whether we've got anything to go by. But for now, I'm audios. We had one stream. We had one trade on stream, which I will post as a short. Hopefully can do that as a short, and check that out. It will be edited soon, so check that out. We'll be back for New York session, but for now, adios amigos. I'll see you guys in New York session.
Woke up again with a weight on my chest. Tired of pretending I'm doing my best. Smiles are fake and the words are rehearsed. Trying to scream but it only gets worse. Walking alone through a crowd full of noise. Lost in my head with a voice that destroys. Telling me daily I'm nothing but weak. But it's not attention I'm trying to seek. They say cheer up like it's easy to do, but they don't know what I'm fighting through. It's not just sad, it's an endless fall. Behind my silence there's a silent call.